Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to form a differential equation. It sounds difficult but it is just like a fun puzzle. If you know the basic differentiation, then you can do easily. So now let us understand what a regular equation is. It is just a mathematical sentence with normal letters like x, y, z, etc. So let's take an example. Y equals to cx square. Here x is your independent variable, y is your dependent variable. Now what is c? Here c is extra letter, you can say arbitrary constant. So you can take random value for c. Here you can see for c equals to 1, you will get y equals to x square. This curve presents for this y equals to x square. Similarly, for c equals to 2, this is your curve for y equals to 2x square. Now come to here, where c equals to minus 1, you will get this type of curve. This is the plot for y equals to minus x square. So this represents the family of parabola. So now come to what is differential equation. Any equation which involves independent variable, dependent variable and derivative terms, those are called differential equation. Basically differential equation contains like dy by dx term. So what is the meaning of dy by dx? This represents how fast something is changing. So here in this video, what we will learn? We will learn how to change a regular equation to a differential equation. So now come to in this video, our goal is to kick out the arbitrary constant. So we need to follow some rules. So here first rule is count the number of arbitrary constant. Second is step number 2, differentiate the regular equation. That means if you have one arbitrary constant, then you need to differentiate one time. If you have two arbitrary constants, then you need to differentiate two times. So next step is eliminate the arbitrary constant using any algebraic process. Then let's try some examples. Now look at this example. This is an example of regular equation. Here x and y are the changing variables, and what is m? M is the arbitrary constant. So here we want to get rid of it. So we have to follow these rules. First now tell me how many number of arbitrary constants here. So there is only one arbitrary constant. So next step is differentiate this regular equation. So since we have one arbitrary constant, so we need to differentiate one time. So after differentiate one time, what we will get? We will get dy by dx equals to m plus, all of you know that derivative of constant term is 0. So the final equation is this one, dy by dx equals to m. So we can tell this is equation 2. So next step is eliminate the arbitrary constant. You can see in this equation there is one arbitrary constant which is n. So we want to get rid of it. So how we will do it? So we will try to mix these equations and try to eliminate this n. So now you can do like this. You can substitute equation 2 in equation 1. What you will get? You will get y equals to dy by dx into x plus 5. Now this is your final equation. You can see here there is no arbitrary constant. So this is your differential equation. Now look at the second example. This is an example of regular equation. Here you can see x and y are the changing variables, but what is a and b? A and b are the arbitrary constants. So how many arbitrary constants are here? Here in this equation there are two arbitrary constants. So next step is differentiate. So since we have two arbitrary constants here, so we need to differentiate two times. So first differentiate first time. So dy by dx equals to a. What is the derivative of cos x? This is minus sin x, sorry, plus b of derivative of sin x, which is cos x. This is your first differentiate first time. Then next we need to differentiate second time also. So after differentiate second time, we will get d square y by dx square equals to a into minus cos x plus b minus sin x. So you can write like a cos x plus b sin x. This is, you can denote as equation 3. So now next step is eliminate the arbitrary constant. So here you can see, here arbitrary constants are available. So what we will do? Here our aim is to get rid of them. So what we will do? We will try to make equation 1, 2 and 3. So to eliminate this a and b. So now you can see this is nothing but y. You can substitute equation 1 in equation 3. So what you will get? You will get d square y by dx square equals to, this is nothing but y. So in this we can write minus y. This is, after simplification you will get d square y by dx square plus y equals to 0. This is your final answer. You can see this, there are no arbitrary constants here. So this is your final differential equation. So in this video what we have learned how to form a differential equation. Thank you.